It's about 5:30 on a Friday morning, the weekend here in Iran. We're on our way to film an off-road rally race in the middle of nowhere, off the beaten track in the city of Qom. It's the third day of winter, so it's cold and we're praying it won't rain. We're travelling with Mehdad Rahimi, long-time member of the 4x4 Racing Federation. At some point we leave the main road behind and rumble our way into the desert. Drivers don't want anything to go wrong with their vehicles before they get to their destination, so lots of them choose to truck them in. We finally arrived, so it's time to get shahbads down off the truck. And when the wheels touch the ground, it's all systems go.
The participants are now doing a practice run before the race starts. Some of them came this morning, but a lot of them came last night and been camping out. Some have travelled 600 miles to get here from different cities across Iran, like Isfahan, Shiraz, Mazandaran and Zahedan.
About 40 competitors are here today. They'll be racing in different classes depending on the caliber of their cars. Vehicles with 4, 6 and 8-cylinder engines race separately. Some have come with friends, but others have brought their families along to spend the weekend together. At this stage, the drivers are busy doing some fine-tuning, listening to their engines or maybe just revving them up for show.
والله هیجانش خیلی زیاده. تصمیم گیریش تو آنه. تصمیم گیریش تو لحظه است. آدم باید توی لحظه آمادگی از قبل نداری.
Off-roading in Iran sees all kinds of rides, from the latest and flashy models to the customized cars or invented monsters built from scratch. These mongrels are brought out of workshops across the country for off-roading events only. In the heat of the race, these guys can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. You can feel the adrenaline building. Engines are roaring, dust is flying. This is serious stuff.
ورزش خوبیه نسبت به بقیه ورزش‌های به قول معروف موتوری، هزینه‌اش کمتره. بعد محیطی که توش حرکت می‌کنی سالم‌تر، خطراتش کمتره. درسته هر کاری با بی‌احتیاطی خطراتش بالاست، اما در کل خطراتش خیلی کمتر از کار دیگه.
These guys have traveled for hours to get here, but they'll only be on the track for a few minutes. The fewer the better if they want to win. The racetrack's been marked out with flags and referees are posted along it to make sure the racers don't veer off the course. Each driver pulls a number and the first to race makes his way to the starting line. It's the moment of truth. All the hard work he's put into souping up his maniac of a machine is about to be put to the test.
For the participants, off-roading is more than a sport, it's a passion. All of them suffer from a chronic lead foot and a need for speed, a deadly combination that has led to a couple of hairy moments in the past few years.
خیلی علاقه دارم به این ورزش و اعتقاد دارم تمام روحیم سر همین چیز خیلی تقویت شده، سر خود دو دیفرانسیل و مسابقات.
I'd like to remind our young viewers that these guys are professionals, or at least have a death wish, so don't try this at home. Unfortunately, no women drivers turned up for today's event, but Iran's Off-Road Society has many female members and enthusiasts.
The racetrack is an excellent outlet for people who need a regular adrenaline fix. The harsh terrain and dust and dirt offer a much-needed break from the hustle and bustle of city life, especially when the racetrack invites you to such beautiful places. Reconnecting with nature can really recharge your batteries as well.
سنم 52 ساله و از این ورزشی که تونستم داخلش باشم و با فدراسیون اتومبیلرانی همکاری بکنم خیلی خوشحالم و تا اونجایی که قدرت در بدن دارم و مغزم کار بکنه توی مسابقات و آفرود شرکت میکنم.
Anyone can take part in Iran's off-road races providing they have their own car and a driving license. But both the driver and navigator must wear protective headgear, and ideally their ride should have a roll cage as well.
The winners get a trophy, but in general, off-road racing in Iran is an underfunded sport. Those who take part do it for fun, but hope to see a day when they can compete internationally, especially the younger racers. For now, they accept their awards with good grace, hoping to see the day they can find sponsors to take them to the next level in the near future. Bianca Rahimi reporting for Iran.